Sporty jackets are one of the biggest trends for spring 2026. But the difference between looking stylish and looking like you're heading to the gym is one styling decision. Let's edit this. Designers like Prada and Miu Miu brought some sporty silhouettes back to the runway this season. But they're not styling them like gym clothes. They're styling them with contrast. So instead of just talking about the trend, I'm testing it on a real body. Some sporty jackets look incredibly chic. Some instantly kill the outfit. Let's see where this one lands. Look number 1, downtown set. Okay, this set is already not gym. Let's be honest. This is giving downtown girl who knows the underground coffee spot. The lace paneling, that's not workout. That's I'm stylish on purpose. Matching sets always photograph expensive because your eye reads one clean column. The outfit is already doing the work. But tell me, does this read cool or does it read too sporty? Now watch what happens when I change one thing. One swap and the entire energy changes. Okay, now we're editing. This is the difference between cute set and fashion set. You can only have one sporty thing leading the outfit. Everything else has to look chosen. And chosen means one of these three things: tailored, sharp, or glossy. See? Now it feels like I might be late, but I'm late to a showroom. But I want to show you something even more fun. There's one styling move editors use that completely change how sporty pieces read. Okay, now we're playing. This is where the sporty jacket becomes fashion. Bloomer with pumps? That's giving Tribeca It Girl energy. When you mix something athletic with something a little unexpected, like bloomers or heels, it creates tension. And tension is what makes an outfit interesting. This is the version where people stop you and ask, where did you get that jacket? So I couldn't find my bloomers. I looked everywhere. I don't understand where the hell did they go. And I'm so upset because I feel like it would have made this outfit so cool. But nevertheless, it's still all about the juxtaposition and the contrast. So these hot shorts, they work because they're crochet type of material and you kind of expect them like in a beach format. But I think the fact that I'm wearing that with the track jacket is such a stellar, rad, cool freaking look. But nevertheless, I gave you plan B, wearing it with crochet type of hot shorts. What a contrast. How unexpected, right? Jacket number 2. The army green ivy long sporty jacket, mid-length. That was a long title. Now this Ivy Park one, this is trickier because long sporty jackets can either look editorial, which is what we want, or they can look like your cousin borrowed your coat to take the trash out. Okay, this is the effortless version. It's cool, it's wearable, it's safe, it's giving city girl running errands. When the jacket is long, it creates a line. So if everything underneath is loose, the whole thing goes blob. And we're not doing blob, we're doing shape. But hold on, look number 4. This is where it becomes fashion. Ah, okay. Now it becomes a styling piece. This is what runway stylists do. They take something sporty and they make it look unexpected. This is the rule that you're stealing from me today. One sporty piece, one intentional base. And intentional means fitted or streamlined, one color family, clean shoe. Because the shoe is where the outfits go to die. I added in a bonus because I wanted to try this kind of like utilitarian type of look, even though it's softer because of the material. It still has a harder street edge to it, and I wanted to pair with complete contrast the most feminine skirt that I have in my wardrobe, in my collection, and I think the contrast is what makes this look extra special. So here's the cut. The sporty trend jacket works when it feels like contrast, not costume. Editor checklist. If it's sporty plus sporty plus sporty, it's giving gym. If it's sporty plus polished, it's giving cool. If it's sporty plus sleek plus one sharp detail, it's giving modern luxury. And that's the difference. And listen, fashion is always supposed to be fun, at least according to me, or in my world. I'm not here to lecture you. I'm here to edit with you. So if you like these little runway to real life edit sessions, subscribe. And if you want me to keep exposing tiny styling decisions that change everything, hit like and turn on the bell. Because we're building taste, not just outfits.